In this video, I'll show you what's really going on with ProSaniShop and help you decide if it's a legit store or just another scam you should avoid. When you land on the site, it looks decent at first glance. Products are heavily discounted and the layout feels like a basic Shopify template, but there are already some red flags. The About Us section is vague and the contact page only has a basic email, no phone number, no physical address. There's also no sign of company registration or real social media presence. That's not a good sign. When we look up external reviews, multiple buyers reported not receiving their orders, getting fake tracking numbers, or being completely ignored by customer support. And there's no clear return policy listed. Some of the items being sold here are actually cheaper or identical to listing found on AliExpress or Tmall, but marked up as if you're getting a deal. That's another classic drop shipping trap. So, is a ProSunny legit? Based on sketchy contact info, poor reviews, and questionable product sources, this site looks like a potential scam. I strongly recommended staying away. If you've ever ordered from ProSunny, drop your experience in the comments. Thank you for watching.